वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We will continue with the reading of words till you become familiar or comfortable with reading Sanskrita words. So we will continue from where we stopped in the last class. Vrikshaha Oshadayaha cha. I think this slide we have seen in the last class. Ikshuhu Amraha Narikelaha Puga Vrikshaha iti. These are Vriksha. Vriksha means tree. Vrikshaha, trees. Anyway, the meanings part is not important now. At the next level, we will see some words that we need to know. We need to know the meaning. We need to develop the vocabulary later, not now. Now, the next one, Deepika ji, history. Hello, can you all hear me? Hello.
Yes, Guru.
Yes. Deepika ji, are you there? You can read.
Yes, Guruji. Shakani.
Before that, is my voice clear and audible to you? Did you hear my voice?
Yes, Guruji, I do.
Okay. Yeah, please read.
Shakani.
Shakani. Okay.
Yeah. Marichika. Amram. Alabuhu. Kushmandaha.
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 Kushmandaha. Right. Urvarukam.
Urvarukam.
Urvarukam. Palanduhu. Bhindam. Raktaphalam.
Yes. Bhendam.
Bhendam. Raktaphalam. Haritam. Patolaha. Runtakam. Alukam. Lashunam. Bimbi phalam. Karavelaha. Karavelaha. Shimbika. Suranaha. Grunjanakam. Shakapushpam. Chhatrakam.
Person. Paruji. Now the words with conjunct consonants. You can read. You can
Ushmanama. Ushanama.
please read again.
Ushanama. Ushanama.
Again.
Ushanama.
Ushanama.
Ushnama.
Again. Read properly.
Ushnama. Ushanama. Ushnama.
You're reading this, but same thing you're reading. What is the difference? You're doing mistake. When I ask you to read again means you're doing mistake.
Ushanama. Ushanama.
Okay, Akoshi, what is that?
Ushnam.
Yes, sir.
Akoshi.
Ushnam, Guruji.
Huh?
No, I'm asking the other person, Akosh. Yeah.
Ushnam, Guruji.
Ushnam. You can increase.
Ushnam. Ushnam.
Ushnam, not Ushnama.
Ushnam.
And Parulji, when you join the meeting, you keep your mic in mute. Your mic is not in mute. And
No, I'm muting myself, sir.
no, I muted. In fact, I muted your mic.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sutikaha.
Read again.
Sutikaha.
No, Umaji, what is this word?
Suktihi.
Suktihi.
Sutihi.
Okay.
It is ka, no?
Yeah. Takara plus ta. Suktihi.
Sutihi.
Okay.
Sutihi.
You have to read, you have to practice. Okay. Continue.
Uttapaha. Uttapaha.
Uttapaha. Okay.
Vruntama.
Not Vrunta. It is last one is the last letter. It is consonant.
Yeah, consonant.
Pure consonant only.
Vruntama.
Vruntam, not Vrintama.
Acha. Vruntam. Vruntam.
Same mistakes.
Yeah.
Ushna.
Yeah. Ushman.
It was saying Ushnama, Vruntam,
Ushna.
Tama.
Ushnam. Okay. Vruntam. Vruntam. Saptaha. Saptaha.
No. Kirti,
Saptaha.
hold on. It said once, okay, only one chance. If not said correctly, then I'll ask the other person to read.
Yeah.
Kirti.
Saptaha.
Very good.
Saptaha.
Saptaha. Okay. Read. Parulji.
Shall I read?
Yeah, if you're not reading correctly, then we'll ask the other person to read.
Okay. Gartaha.
Gartaha.
Gartaha. Pustakam. Utthanam. Utthanam. Manthanam.
Good. Now, next person. Akoshi.
Yes, Guruji. Arthaha.
Your voice is feeble. You can increase your volume.
Wait a second. I try. Yes. Arthaha.
Okay. Continue, please.
Samsthanam. Uddhanam. Uddhanam.
Read again.
Uddhanam.
Uddhanam. Is it nam?
Yes.
Where is nam?
Sorry, no. Uddam. Sorry. Yes.
Is it Uddam?
No. Uddam.
Where is Makara? Do you see Makara at the end?
Uddama. Uddama.
Uddama.
Yes, not Kara. Chandanam. Abadaha.
Again,
Abdaha.
Abdaha.
Abdaha. Kurdate.
Good.
Dugdham. Shuddhi. Shuddha. Sorry. Shuddha.
Shuddha.
Shuddha. Shuddha.
Shuddhaha. Visarga should be read.
Shuddha.
Shuddhaha.
Sugandha.
Good. All the conjunct letters are given. Repa plus tha,
Yes.
then sakara plus tha. That is, you see that in the words.
Yes.
The next person, Umaji. Umaji, you can read. Unmute your mic.
Sudha,
Again.
Sudha,
Read again.
Sudha,
Kshuda. It is kshu.
Sudha, Sudha,
Kshuddha, not Shuddha
Sudha,
or Sudha. I heard
Sudha,
Sudha in the beginning. It is Kshuddha.
Sudha,
Kshuddha means hunger. Okay.
Shubdha, Shubdha,
Read again.
Shubdha, Shubdha,
Daha.
Ardham, Shankodi,
Again.
Shankodi,
Shankodi. What is Shankodi? Where is Shankodi?
Shankodi.
No.
Okay.
See properly and read. See the words individual. See the letter.
Shankodi, Shankodi,
It's not Shankodi. What is that? You are reading it wrongly. See, when I ask you to read again, then you have to be alert. It is something wrong. What is the first letter of the word?
Sha,
The next letter?
In,
Really? If it is yen, then why should I give the conjunct consonants as kakara plus na is equal to kna? Why that combination is there?
okay. Shankodi,
See, you are reading the same thing.
okay.
Mistake is there. Mistake is there means you have to correct. Kakara plus na is there. What is the
Yes.
first letter? After sha, what is the letter? You are saying nakara. If nakara is there, then the combination will not be kakara plus na. The clue is given already. What should be the letter? Following letter. Following the letter following the shaka, the sha. Okay. Subbalakshmiji, what is this word? Can you read? The next person.
Shaknodi.
Yeah, yes. Good. Who read? Bhavaniji.
Yeah.
Read again. Bhavaniji.
Shaknodi.
Shakno is correct. What is the
The.
last letter?
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
What is the
Sorry,
last? It's okay. Last letter. Bhavaniji.
The.
It is D. It is not D.
The. The. I'm sorry. I get confused always. I'm sorry.
Read again. What is that letter?
Shaknodi.
Shaknoti, not D. It is D.
The.
Okay. I think we discussed this in the last class.
Yes.
okay.
T, the takara, dakara, the differences.
P.
Bhavanaji, remember, I think. So you
Okay.
that mistake. Shaknoti, not the. The is different.
P. Yeah, I get confused to that. When I practice, I'm fine, but when I have to read it together,
It's all
I have
matter
to.
of practice and time. So you have to practice. That's what we are doing in the class. In the class, 1 hour, whatever we can do, we do it. At the time, you have to practice. First, when you practice, I don't know how you practice, but I always say when you practice, when you read, when you write, when you practice writing in the workbook, you write, and when you write, you read it loudly. What you write, and just check for yourself whether your pronunciation is correct. You record your pronunciation and check for yourself.
Okay.
You check the
Okay.
pronunciation of each letter of the word. First you have to be very sure of the pronunciation of each letter of the word. Don't take any letter for granted. The will
Okay.
you will be pronouncing the, and you will think that it is the. You have to make sure what letter it is, the or the.
Okay.
So when you write, when you write words, when you write that in the workbook number 2, that a lot of words are given. So
Mhm.
for writing practice, it is not only for writing, it is for writing and reading. When you write, you have to say it loudly and then write. Like in the school, in the pre standard, pre KG, you will do the same way you have to do for learning the language also.
Okay, good.
Okay.
The workbook, it is prepared with that in mind. Mainly, it is prepared for the non-Indians, so that because for the
Mhm.
non-native of this because of these Indian languages, for them it is difficult. So that's why it is prepared. But it is difficult even for the people who speak the languages which are connected to Sanskritam, like Hindi, the other Indian languages. They also find it difficult. So I think it is useful for everybody. So you write, when you write, you read it loudly, and you record your pronunciation and just listen whether it is correct. Okay. The class
Okay.
can do to some extent, but completely not possible. So Shaknoti. Okay. And Umaji, it is Shaknoti. You are saying Shangoti, Shangoti. Where is Shangoti?
Sorry, Guruji. Shaknodi. T.
The clue is already given. Kakara plus na is there. Then why Kakara plus na is there? What is the purpose?
Okay. Okay, Guruji. Now I can
Shangoti
understand.
is there and Nakara must be there at the beginning.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay. Yeah, read, continue. Think and read. Okay. See the word properly and the letters, and then read. The next word.
Chak. Tuhu. Chaknatuhu.
Shaknatuhu. Cha
Chaknatuhu.
followed by Kakara Chak.
Chak.
Na is there. Natuhu. Chak Natuhu. That's
Chaknatuhu.
what to read. Okay, continue.
Ratnam.
Yes.
Vatanti.
No, think, please see it properly. See the word properly and the letters. What is
Vatnadi. Vatnadi.
again?
Vatnadi.
Badnadi. Where is the?
Vatnati.
Badnati. So you as well as Bhavanaji, you understand, today you make this correction. It is the, not the. Don't repeat the same mistake. You do some other new mistake. Don't repeat the same mistake. It is the, not the. Okay. Let today be the last day to commit this mistake. Both of you read the as the. That is wrong. That's because of Tamil, I think the native language influence.
But yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It is the, not the.
T. Okay.
T.
I'll practice it.
Okay. Then continue. Watch it.
Annam.
Annam. Okay.
Apnoti.
Apnoti. Thank God you read apnoti. Not apnoti. It's good. Remember this. It is T only, not D.
Okay. Okay.
Next person, Subhalakshmi ji. Subhalakshmi ji, teacher.
Yes, sir. Yes, Guruji.
Oh. Okay, your HP is you. Okay. Yeah, please read.
Amnayaka.
Very good.
Swarnam. Snanam.
Okay.
Chinnam.
Good.
Shatpataha. Shatpadaha.
Yes. Good. Subhalakshmi, I think you have improved very much.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yes, yeah. I think previous class, I don't know whether you or somebody you are finding difficult to read. I think you are the person, I think.
I think, yeah, correct.
Because I know your Subhalakshmi is seeing the name.
Ah,
I remember it was my teacher's name in the school. So when I corrected you, I thought I'm correcting my teacher. You're reading very good. You're reading nicely. It's good. Keep it up.
thank you, Guruji. Utpalaha. Pipali.
Hey, when you read,
Pipali.
yeah, very good. When you read correctly, it is more than you. I feel good. Yeah.
Pampa. Sarpaha.
Very good. Next person. Kirti.
Alpaharah.
Please read
Hara.
properly. See the word.
Alpaharah.
Yes. Alpaharaha. Okay, not Alpaharaha.
Sorry. Alpaharah.
Alpaharaha. One word.
Okay. Alpaharah.
Alpahara means different breakfast.
Breakfast. No? Okay.
Yes. Alpa is little. Ahara is what you take, intake. Alpa ahara, breakfast.
Okay. Spandanam. Pushpam. Utpanaha. Gumpaha. Gumpaha. Gulpaha. Spatikam. Udbahuhu. Udbahuhu. Lambaha.
Yes. Good. Next person, Devaki ji.
Durvalaha.
Yeah, it should be Durbalaha, but anyway, it's a typo.
Durbalaha.
It's okay, correct. But you read it first. Correct.
Pragbhavanam.
Bhavanam.
Sudbhavanam.
What is the first letter?
Sadbhavanam.
Sadbhavanam.
Bhakshaha.
Abhaksha. Read again.
Abhakshaha.
Yes.
Stambha. Arbakaha. Pratima. प्रगल्भः रुक्मिणी
D. Okay.
रुक्मिणी
Person. Akamshati.
Yes, Guru. Vachmi,
Lakshmi.
Janma, Atma, Padma, Dadmau, Tanmatram, Papma, Mammataha, Dharmaha,
Person. Ignition.
Yes, Ji. Vachmi, Janma, Atma, Badma,
The last word.
Batma,
Padma.
Again.
Batma,
Read the name properly.
Pa, Padma.
Padma, not Padma. There is no word Padma. In Tamil we say Padma, Padma. It is wrong. It is Padma. Padma is lotus.
Yes, Ji.
If you make part of Ba, there is no Ba. Padma.
Padma,
Padmavati, we say it is not Padmavati. It is
Padmavati.
Padmavati.
Astu,
Padma
Ji.
is lotus.
Yes, Ji.
But the problem is
Pa,
we say
Baba.
Ba, Ba, and not Padma. Okay, who is the goddess? What is the name of the goddess of Nellai, the Tirunelveli temple?
I don't know, Ji.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Gandhipati, Gandhi,
Yes, Umaji, what is that?
Gandhipati,
Gandhi, who's that? Karamchand Gandhi? Rajiv Gandhi?
Kantimati, I think so.
Kantimati,
It is Kantimati, not Gandhi. Don't make it Gandhi.
Gandhimati. Okay.
Oh,
Kantimati.
let this
Only
India be free from Gandhis. It is not Gandhi. It has nothing to do with Gandhi.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
Kanti. The problem is, it is Ka is there, we pronounce it as Ga. And Ti is there, the same mistake. Ti is pronounced as Dhi. So Kanti becomes, Kanti means pleasant, which is the form is the Kanti, that which is attractive, charming. That is Kanti. That becomes Gandhi. Gandhi is different. In Tamil, when you write Kanti or Gandhi, it looks same. But pronunciation is different. That makes the difference meaning also.
Okay.
Kantimati,
Kantimati.
not Gandhimati. It has nothing to do with Gandhi. Mati means buddhi, intellect,
Yes.
buddhi. Kantimati, the one whose buddhi is pleasant, who has got a pleasant mind. That's the meaning. Kantimati,
Kantimati.
not Gandhimati.
Okay. Kantimati.
Continue. Yajnapriya.
Dadmau, Tanmatram, Papma, Mammataha, Dharmaha, Gulma, Gulma. Ji, I'm not able to. Ji.
Gulmam. Gulmam.
Gul,
Well, yes, right. You're reading it correctly.
Gul Mama,
Why Mama?
Gul Mamam, Gul. Unable to
Gulmam.
pronounce it properly, Ji.
It is up to Gul is correct only. What is it? What are the other following? It is easy, not difficult.
Ma and Makara is there.
How do you read Ma and Makara?
Mama,
Ma and Makara is why? How can it become Mama? The last letter is only the
Gul Mamam,
that that the first part I leave it out. What is the last part?
Mum.
Then you read now.
Gulmam.
That's what it is.
Gulmam. Yes.
Yes, continue.
Ashma. Ushpa. Ushpa. Sorry, Maji. Ushma.
Ushma.
I misunderstood as pa. Ushma. Asmita. Brahmanaha.
Again.
Brahmanaha.
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 It is given Hakara plus Ma. Brahmanaha.
Yes, Brahmanaha.
Ma is
Vak.
completely Ma. Brahmanaha.
Brahmanaha.
Okay.
Vakyam. Aravya. Aravya.
Aravya.
Yeah.
It's not Aravya. Conjunct consonants are given.
Sorry, Ji. It's Akavya.
What is the conjunct consonant?
Ka and ya.
It is Ka.
Kya.
Ah.
Ka.
It is what is the conjunct consonant? The first letter.
Kakara.
Yes, you have to say Kakara. Kakara plus Ya.
Ya.
What is that?
Kya.
Kya. That's what it is. Now read.
Akya.
Yes. Akhya. Right?
Yes, Ji.
Akhya.
Bhagyam. Shladayam.
Is it Dayam?
Shladayama. Shladayam.
Is it Dakara? Please see. What is that? What letter is it? First letter.
Ka.
What is the first letter of consonant?
Gakara.
Now read.
Shlagyam.
Nagyam. Okay. Next person. Now you will see the letters, the words with the combination. Kana plus.
Yes.
Uh,
Bhaktaha. Bhaktihi. Muktaha. No, sorry, Guruji. It's Bhaktaha. Bhuktaha. Yeah. Sorry, Guruji. It's Bhuktaha. Raktam. Muktaha. Shuktam. Shuktam. Suktam. Shaktihi. Paktam. Shaktaha. Shaktaha.
Next person.
Kya. Vakyam. Kruddhaha.
Kruddaha.
Kruddhaha. Kriya.
So you can see these words have the conjunct consonant. Kakara plus Ra.
Right. Kleshaha. Kledaha.
Please continue.
Pakkam.
No.
Pakkam.
The conjunct consonant.
Sorry, Pakvam.
Pakvam.
Kvachit. Nakshatram. Kshatriyaha. Navagrahaha. Navagraham. Grahanam.
Paruji.
Yes, sir.
So these are the possible, this the
Gna.
consonant, and then
Gna.
I'm going to read now. The word.
Vignaha. Sankataha. Akruha.
Huh?
Ankura.
Ankuraha.
Ankuraha. Sangamaha. Patangaha. Jangamaha. Jangamam.
Gangamam.
Jangamam. Cha. Che.
Okay. Now the words will come.
Achadanam.
Read again.
Achanadam. Achadanam.
Achadanam.
Achadanam. Icha. Parichedah. Lajja. Sajjanah. Rajjuha.
Juhu.
Rajuhu. Rajuhu.
Yeah, next person. Of course. So the words with these conjunct consonants.
Jnanam.
Jnanam.
Of course, we'll read. Yeah.
Jnanam.
Ajna.
Anya. Anum. Anunya. Anunya.
Anugya.
Jyotihi. Rajyam. 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 Jvalaha. Jvalaha. Jvaraha.
Yes, last one.
Chanchuhu.
Chanchuhu.
Crown chaha.
Kauncha.
Kanchamam. Kanchanam.
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 Okay, next person. Much you can read now. You can unmute your mic, much. Much doctor. Okay, next person.
Can I read, sir?
Yeah, I called your name, you didn't respond. Okay.
Sorry, sorry. Sir. Kantastaha. Kantayaha.
Yeah. Kantayaha.
Kantayaha.
Sublashmi, what is this word? Can you read
Gantyaha.
again?
Kantyaha.
Gantayaha.
Kantya.
Sublashmi, read.
Kantayaha.
Not Kantayaha, no. Kirti, what is this word?
Antyayaha.
Kantyaha, Guruji. Kantyaha.
Kantyaha. It is Kantyaha, not Kantayaha.
Kantyaha.
Plus, it is Takara plus Yakara. Takara plus is there. So it is Kant. Takara only. It is not Ta. When you say Ta, then Akara is there in Ta. But no, Akara. It is Akara plus Ya is Yakara plus A. So Kantya, conjunct. There is no vowel between them, right?
Okay.
How can it be Kantayaha?
Okay.
It is Kantyaha, Kantyaha.
Kantyaha.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Kantyaha.
Yeah.
Continue.
Pandidaha. Pandavaha. Tripundrakam.
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 Okay, next person. Subhaji. The words with these contain consonants.
Aranyam. Utkrushtaha. Uttamam. Utmaha.
No, read again.
Uttamaha.
Yes.
Anuvrittihi. Uttram.
Read again.
Uttaram.
Uttaram.
Uttram. Ra-im.
Not Uttram. That is Tra. Akara plus
Uttaram. Uttaram. Sorry. Tattvam. Stanam.
Not Stanam. What is the first letter? Then
Ratnam. Sorry.
Ratnam.
Ratnam. Sorry. Prayatanam.
Shall I read, Guruji?
Yes, please read.
Okay. Utpatihi.
Utpattihi.
Utpatihi.
Okay, it's a type actually. It must be Utpattihi, but that's a mistake.
Okay.
Pa is pa, but that the conjunct consonant is not there in the word. And also it is not Utpattihi. You read that word as it is.
Utpatihi.
No.
Utpatihi.
It should have been Utpattihi, but it is not. But what is that? What is written? As it is, you can read. What Ut followed by?
Yeah. Patihi. Patihi.
No. Ut followed by. Pattihi comes later. In between one letter is
P. Yeah. I mean, looking at the
after
combination.
Before Pattihi. What is the letter in between?
Ut and before Patihi. I'm sorry, I don't get this.
Okay, next person. You can read. Devakiji, what is that? Can you read this word?
Uttapatihi.
Uttapatihi. That's what it is, not Utpattihi.
Could you come again, Guruji? Is it Uttapatihi?
Uttapatihi.
And how was I reading? I was reading Ut
You are reading
and
Utpattihi,
Patihi.
Utpattihi. Ta is there. Uttapatihi.
Uttapatihi. Oh, okay. You
Uttapatihi.
emphasize. Oh, yeah. You emphasize on that
Not emphasize. You didn't pronounce the letter ta, which is after ut, before pattihi.
Okay.
Right? Uttapatihi. You said utpattihi, utpattihi. Should have been utpattihi.
Oh.
It's a typo.
Oh.
Uttapatihi is a typo, but doesn't matter. But you have to read as it is. Whatever it is there, it is uttapatihi only.
Uttapatihi. Okay.
Continue.
Tyagaha. Satyam. Nrityam. Patram. Pavitram. Shatruhu. Sattvam. Utsavah.
Yeah,
Utsavah.
yeah. Utsavaha. It's correct. Next person. now.
Utsavah.
Devaki, you can read.
स्वात्यम् उद्गमः उद्भवः सद्गुणः प्रसिद्धः बुद्धिः विरुद्धः अद्भुतः
Okay, good. Next person. Akanksha.
विद्या विद्यालयः समुद्रः दरिद्रः द्वारं द्वीपः
Okay, next person. Yajnapraj.
ध्यानम् अध्यायः
ध्वनिः
ध्वनिः जन्तुः
Jantuhu.
जन्तुः
Again.
जन्तुः सन्तुष्टः दन्तः शान्तिः
Next person. Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. प्रसन्नः प्रसन्न ओके परिभिन्नः
Parichinnaha.
oh sorry Guruji परिच्छिन्नः भिन्नः जन्म सन्मार्गयः
Sanmargayah. Where is Gaya?
oh sorry सन्मार्गयः सन्मार्गयः no
Where is Ya? Ya is there?
सन्मार्गः
Sanmargaha.
सन्मार्गः न्यायः कन्या कुछ यहाँ पे
Next person now. Deepika. Deepika, you can read.
क्या मेरे पूजे
Deepika ji will read.
सुन्दरः बिन्दुः इन्दुः
Hinduhu.
इन्दुः चन्द्रः इन्द्रियम् अन्धः बन्धुः इन्धनम्
Good. Prabhuji.
Yes. तण्डुलः सुप्तः नक्तः सप्तः
Read again.
सप्ताह
Read again.
सप्ताह सप्ताह
Again.
सप्ताह
Aposhi, what is that word?
सप्ताहः
सप्ताह सप्ताह
No, you read.
सप्ताहः
Yes.
सप्ताह तृप्तिः
No. Aposhi, what is
तृप्तिः
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 Truptihi.
तृप्तिः ओके अभिद्धः
I think you are reading without seeing the word.
No, it's ba. Abidha.
Really, Abhidaha.
Abidha. Correct or wrong, sir?
It is wrong. That's what he is just not saying the word, just reading like that.
Then it is ba, bakara.
Then Bakara, then what will be the pronunciation?
Abdi.
Ah,
Abdi.
Abdi. The word is
Ah.
Abdi, but what did you read now before? Abhida. Read.
Yeah, correct. Abdi.
Not Abdiha. Visarga,
Abdi.
Visarga, how it is pronounced. In the word Tripti, how Visarga is pronounced.
Bidha. Bidha. Badi. Abadi. Abadi. Abdi. Abadi. Abadi.
Visarga.
Huh.
Pronunciation of Visarga.
D.
Okay. Of course, you read that.
Abhihi.
Abdihi.
Abhi.
It is Abdihi. Okay, next person. First we can read.
Pranaha. Prasnaha. Prabhu.
Who?
Prabhu.
Who?
Prabhu. Pratibimba. Pratibimbaha.
Pratibimba.
Murarvaha.
What is that?
Muravraha.
Read again.
Murarvaha.
No.
Muravraha.
No. What is that word? Next person, Umaji.
Murkaha.
Murkhaha.
Murkhaha. Sorry. Yes, I recognize.
The first letter is Mu.
Murkaha. Murkhaha.
See, the clue is already given. Repa plus kha is there.
Yes.
Inside, you can see the conjunct.
I see. Thank you.
So the first letter being Mu, followed by Repa, it is Mur. Khaha. Murkhaha.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Continue. Next person now. Umaji.
Vargaha. Vargaha. Swargaha. Sammargaha. Sanmargaha. 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 Dirthaha.
Slowly, okay.
Dirthaha. Archanam.
Dirghaha.
Dirgaha. Archanam. Just that.
Can read. Umaji, you can mute your mic.
Okay. Marjaraha.
I'm asking you to mute your mic. Subleshmaji will do it. You have read now.
Marjaraha.
Again?
Marjaraha. Sorry.
Marjaraha.
Durjanaha. Varnakaraha. Parnaha. Karnaha. Katta.
Next person. Kirtiji.
Murtihi. Kirtihi. Purushartha. समर्थः प्रार्थना गर्दब गर्द गर्दर्भः गर्दर्भः
Again.
गर्दभः
Gardabaha.
गर्दभः
Gardabaha means donkey. Gardabaha.
ओके मूर्धा निर्धनः
Good. Next person. Devaki. Devaki ji. Can unmute your mic.
दर्शनीयः अर्पणं कर्म धर्म चर्म कूर्मः सौन्दर्यं वीर्यं धैर्यः
Next person. Akash.
सर्वदा सर्वतः पूर्वम् आदर्शः दूरदर्शनम् शीर्षं तर्हि
Good. Next person. Yajna.
Yes, ji. स्वल्पम् अल्पं तुल्यः जल्पितं व्याधिः व्याधः
Vyadihi vyadaha. Vyad means disease. Vyadaha is hunter.
जी व्याधः मीन्स
Hunter.
राइट काव्यं
Next person. Prabhakar.
Yes. Tibram. Nishvayah.
Nishvayah. Where is va?
Sorry. Nischayah. Prashnah. Drishyam.
Good.
Shraddha. Ashramah. Shrutihi.
Yes. Next person again. Difficult. Difficult.
कृष्णः उष्णः पुष्पं ग्रीष्म
Read again.
ग्रीष्म
Grishma. Deep.
ग्रीष्म
Yes.
मनुष्यः शिष्यः पुस्तकं स्तुतिः
Person. Prabhuji.
यस् श्लोकः ईश्वरः
Again.
ईश्वरः
What is the first letter?
ईश्वरः
Yes. Ishvaraha.
विश्वासः निष्कः सृष्टिः
Again.
सृष्टिः सृष्टि
Read again.
सृष्टिः
No. You read correctly only. Read again.
सृष्टि Shrushti. Shrushtiha.
Srishtiha or Srishtihi?
Shrushtihi. Shrushtihi. Sorry, sir.
You have to correct that. You are doing
Yeah.
Srishtiha, Srishtiha. I don't know why. I will take the sound of
Shrushtiha.
Srishtiha. Listen.
Ah.
Srishtihi. Srishti, Visarga
Yeah.
is. First listen, please listen. Don't speak.
Yes.
Just listen. Shlokaha, Ishvaraha, Vishwasaha, Nishkaha. In all these words, Visarga is preceded by the letter A. Therefore, Visarga takes the sound of the vowel A. Shlokaha, Ishvaraha. Visarga goes along with the pronunciation of the preceding letter, preceding vowel. Visarga must always come after the vowel only. Can't come after the consonant.
Okay, sir.
So, Shlokaha, Ishvaraha, Nishkaha. In this word, Srishti, Visarga is preceded by the letter E.
Okay.
Srishti being E, then Visarga is pronounced along with the preceding vowel, which is Ikara, E. Srishti, not Srishtiha. It's a wrong way to read Srishtiha. You are doing the same mistake.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Srishtihi, not Srishtiha.
Shrushtihi. Okay. Shrushtihi. Vrushtihi. Shashti. Shashti.
What is the last letter?
It is tha. Shakara plus tha. Shtha.
Read it properly. What is the last letter I'm asking? What is the last letter?
Thi. Shashti.
Okay, let me ask. What is the last letter of the word?
Tha, no?
Ta is the last letter.
Sha is first letter.
That's okay. What is the last letter? That alone you tell me. What is the last letter of this word?
Tha.
You read the word.
No. Sha. Again, half sha it is there.
Please understand my
Shashati.
question. I'm asking you only one simple question.
Okay.
It's the last letter. Listen first. First, you're not listening at all.
Okay, sir.
First you have to, with all yours to listen, what I'm asking. What is the last letter of the word? So you read.
Shti. Shakara plus tha. Thi.
Okay, leave that. Akoshi, you read this.
Shashti.
What is the last letter of the word?
E.
That's what I'm asking.
E. Okay. I was E.
You cannot think what you want. I'm asking only the last letter. What is the last letter? Shashti is E is the last letter. Why
Yes, sir.
Takara and all? That is not asked. E is the last letter. It is Dirgha Ikara. Shashti you have to say. You are not listening at all.
Okay.
See, the problem with the learning is we are not open to listen. Just to listen, understand. Then only understanding can take place. Otherwise, how will understanding take place? Last letter is E, Dirgha Ikara. You read correctly only. You read Shashti. You made it Rasva. Correct that to Dirgha. That is what I'm asking. What is the last letter?
Okay, sir. I could not. The
You are
last.
not paying. First of all, you are not allowing me to speak, and you are not paying attention to what I'm asking. That obstacle is not Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. It is Adhyatmika. We ourselves are obstacle to learn. Okay. Just I'm pointing you where the problem is. You have to correct that. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Learning can take place.
Thanks.
Okay. Of course, you know.
Shastram.
Next person.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Of course.
Shastram.
Yes.
Astram. Vastram. Avras. No. Avsva,
What is the first?
Avastha,
Yes.
Avastha,
Avastha.
Stavaram,
Yes.
Bhasman, Tasmat, Yasmat.
Good. Next person. Manoj.
Yes, Guruji. Saraswati. Saraswati.
First, you learn to read slowly. Okay.
Saraswati.
Yes.
Swapnaha. Yashasvi. Yashasvi. Tejasvi. Brahmanaha. Akhladaham. Akhladaham.
I'm asking, you are not reading slowly, just reading it fast and you have made a mistake. First, try to read slowly. Even though you are familiar with the letters, read slowly so that mistakes can be avoided.
Prahladaha.
No, again. What is that word?
Akhladaham.
No. I'm asking the last one. Last popped up word.
Prahladaha.
No. Sublashmi, what is that word?
Prahladaha.
Very good. Prahladaha, not Pragladaha.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Guruji.
See, first you have, if you read slowly, then
Okay.
mistake.
Sorry. Prahladaha. Akhladaham.
Not
Akhladaham.
again the same problem only. You have to be very calm, patient. Okay. Read slowly. No need to have pressure to read fast. When you have to read fast, you will do mistake.
Can I have a question, Guruji?
Yes, sir. Yes, of course. What is the
Is it correct if I read it as Prahladaha?
again?
Prahladaha.
No, it's not correct. It's not Prahladaha. It is
Not correct.
Prahladaha only.
Prahla. Oh.
It is only for Makara and Nakara. It is ready, not for the other letters.
Dhanyavada.
It's a good question. Yes. Next person now.
Akhladaham.
Akhladakam.
Akhladaham.
How I read? I read slowly. Akhladakam.
Akhladaham.
First listen. Okay. Prakhladaha. Akhladakam. Brahmanaha. Tejasvi. Each and every letter with that matra slowly to read.
Okay.
Next person.
Guruji, I had a question, please.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, the previous word, sir, I'm not able to understand where the kha sound is coming from.
There?
Prahladaha.
Yeah. It is Prakhladaha. Not Prahladaha.
Okay.
It is Prakhladaha.
Okay, sir.
Of course, we asked me.
Yes.
As it is Prahladaha or Prakhladaha. I said Prakhladaha. Whereas in the word Brahmanaha, that Hakara also is pronounced as Makara.
Yes.
Brahmanaha. Or if you don't want to say Hakara as Makara, then you have to read Brahm, then Ha is read after Makara.
Yeah.
Brahmanaha. Is this the way you have to read Prahladaha or Prakhladaha? That's what the question he asked. I said,
Yes, sir.
Prakhladaha, here it is not. It is Hakara is read first and then Lakara. So when there is a combination of hakara plus makara or hakara plus nakara, then the following letter is read first and then hakara.
Yes.
If it is other letters, then it is to be read in the order it is given. There is no change of the order. Okay. So
Okay.
it is Prahladaha only.
Guruji, I still hear that curse sound in the ahalada.
There is no ka sound. There is ka sound. I'm not saying ka.
Here,
Hakara sound. Ahladakam. There is no ka sound at all. Sound.
ahaladakam.
Kakaha. Kalpana. Ka is that when I read these words, Prahladaha. Ahladakam. Where is ka sound? There is no ka sound. Hakara sound.
Okay.
It seems to be there maybe because it is pronounced from the throat. Hakara is kanta, hakara is also kanta, but there is no kanta at all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Person. Who is the next person they're supposed to read?
Myself, Guruji.
Who is that? Kirtiji or Subbulakshmi?
Subbulakshmi.
Okay. Yeah, please read.
Dhanam. Ratam. Ratnam. Jalam. Yuddham. Himam. Aham. Balaga. Nagaga. Kakaha. Lokaha. Kamaha. Chandraha. Tantaha. Papam.
Kirtiji.
Kshiram. Kshiram.
Read again.
Kshiram. Tranam.
Read again.
Tranam.
Again. What is the first?
Right?
It is tra.
Tranam.
It is tra. Is it tra?
That Rukara, right?
Okay. What is that letter? Devakiji.
Tru.
Good. It is tru, not tra. Now, how will you read this, Kirtiji?
Trunam.
What did you read before?
Trunam, I read.
Understand
I should
the
read.
difference.
Oh, yeah. Correct.
Tru is, what is tru now? Okay, now you tell me, what is tru?
Trunam.
What are the constituents of the letter tru?
Oh, Takara plus R.
Takara plus the vowel r. It is vowel combination. It is not conjunct consonant. If you say tra, takara plus repa plus ra. That is
okay.
like in the word shastram, astram. That's there. Or sorry, not that word. Okay, that also it's okay. Shastram, astram, tra, trayambakam. Tra is different. Tru is okay. So tranam, it is trunam.
Trunam.
Mistake many people they do. Okay, it is trunam.
Okay. Griham.
Here also the same. Many people they read graham, not graham. It is gr. Gra is
Griham.
plus repa plus the same as before. It is gr. Takara plus ru only. So
Griham.
Griham is house. Graha is planet. Navagraha. It is
Uh-huh. Okay. Peetam. Chakram. Patram. Bijam. Needam. Churnam. Mundam. Mukham. Sukham. Rupam. Sheetam. Sheetam.
yes.
Geetam.
Good. Devakiti. Yeah.
Runam. Ghrutam. Chatram.
Again.
Chatram.
Yeah. Hear properly. Okay.
Varnam. Kshetram. Kautukam. Talakam. Bhushanam. Suvarnam. Kusumam. Audaryam. Audanam. Odanam.
Odanam.
Odanam. Bhutalam. Puranam. Kaumaram.
Good. Next person. Akansha.
Nutanam. Dushanam. Pathanam. Shikharam. Abhyasah. Triambakah.
Again.
Triambakah.
What is the first letter?
Triya.
Can you tell me the components of that first letter?
Takara plus rakara plus ya. Repha, sorry. Takara plus repha plus ya.
Very good. Rakara plus Repa. Is a Rakara? Rakara is correct? You say, can we say Rakara?
No, sir. Repha.
Always it is, remember, it is Repa. So it is Trambakam.
Triambakam. Triambakah.
I am saying this, people, they pronounce Trayambakam, Trayambakam, it is wrong. Okay, this is a common mistake, but it's not correct. That mistake. Trayambakam Nijamake Sukandham Pushtivardhanam. Even the chanting, Mrityunjaya mantra, it is wrong. It is Trambakam, Trambakam Yajamake Sukandham Pushtivardhanam. Urvarukamiva bandhana nrityor mukshi yamamritaat. So it is Trambakam only, not Trayambakam. Between Takara, Repa, after that, Akara follows. There is no Akara. So you need to remember. You read it correctly only. I'm just telling you all. Okay.
Arabdhah. Prahladah. Arambhah. Purvannah.
Good. Here, Akara, take the sound of
No.
Akara.
Brahmanah. Vidyalayah. Dwarapalah. Brahma Muhurtah. Siddhantah.
Yes. Next person. Take the page.
Siddha Purushaha.
Good.
Pippaladaha.
Ladaha is the name of the rishi.
Oh.
Upanishad.
Odalakaha.
Read properly.
Sorry. Audalakaha.
Audalaka. That is also name of the rishi. Audalaki. Okay.
Nachiketaha.
Nachiketaha. You know who is Nachiketa?
No, ji.
The son of Rishi.
Son of the rishi. Nachiketas. Nachiketa. The hero of Kathopanishad.
Yes.
Oh.
Just a boy of 8 years old who demanded only Atmajnanam from the teacher. The teacher is Yamadharmaraja. His name is Nachiketas. Nachiketaha is not the name of the person. Nachiketa referring to the Agni, the ritual which he demanded as a second boon from Yamadharmaraja. That Agni, that ritual is called Nachiketa Agni. Nachiketas is the name of the person.
Oh.
Okay. All these are very beautiful names. Okay.
Karaniyam. Drishtavyam.
Read again properly.
Drashtavyam.
Okay.
Drashtavyam.
Drashtavyam, not Drishtavyam. Understand?
Yeah,
Just now we
Drashtavyam.
Dr and Dra, the difference.
Yes, ji. Shrotavyam. Patitavyam. Lekaniyam. Ucharaniyam. Chintaniyam. Nyatavyam. Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Vishwa Hindu Parishadaha. Grahasata. Grahasata.
Read slowly. Okay.
Grahasata Samadharmaha. Shramadharmaha.
Letter
Grahasata.
by letter and then together. What is the first letter?
Graha Sta Shra Dharmaha last. Grahastata. Ji, I'm not able to. Grahasta.
Not able to. You should be able to. You are reading individually, and why not together? Try.
Grahastata. Grahasta.
Don't add any extra letter, imaginary letter. You read only what is there.
Grahastas Shramadharmaha. Grahastas Shramadharmaha.
That is what it is. What is difficulty is that?
It's very big letter, ji. Word.
It's going to be like that now. Now slowly the words will become bigger and bigger because we have crossed that level. How long we will read only 2-letter word, 3-letter word?
Yes.
How it will increase? But
Yes,
before you attempt, you say it's difficult. Don't say that. You have to read the. It is not like other language. If I write a word in English and ask you to read, it will be difficult for you to read. Okay, let me write one word in English. Let me see how you read that. I'm writing just English word. Okay. Can you read this?
Rendis verse or something.
That's how people read this. I mean, what is that word? Anybody?
Is
Rendezvous.
rendezvous.
Very good. Who read that?
Rendezvous.
Parul.
Rendezvous. Now again, we ask you to read. Have you read this before?
Just according to the letters.
Letter, but actual pronunciation is rendezvous.
Oh.
Sanskritam is not like that. How it is difficult? Tell me. In English, you write something but you pronounce it different. Is Sanskritam like that?
It's not like that.
Not like that. It is as it is written. So why it is difficult then? Gru, ha, then sta is there. Grihastha, then shra, ma,
Dharmaha.
grihastha, dharmaha is there. Grihastha, dharmaha. It is very simple.
Grihastha dharmaha.
Compared to English, Sanskrit is very simple. English, you write something and you pronounce it something. That you people can read. Why not Sanskrit?
Yes, sure.
So don't be, don't get scared. Afraid by the size of the word. The word can be 100 meters long, doesn't matter. It can be read.
Yes.
Line of the shloka could be one word, but it can be read without any difficulty.
Sure, Ji. Sure.
The pronunciation of the word is sum total of the individual pronunciation of the letter. There is no problem.
Yes, Ji.
It's simple. In fact, English is problem, not Sanskrit. Okay, next person.
Ji, 1 second. Can I leave now? I have to go to the hospital.
Yes, I'm going to come wind up now with this last one. The last person is, yeah, you can leave, no problem. Luckily.
Yes, Guruji. Vishwa Hindu Parishadaha Grihastashramar sorry, Guruji. Grihastashramardarmaha. Did I say that right, Guruji?
Yeah, you have to say it.
Read
now. Read.
Yes, Guruji. Grihastashramardarmaha.
Okay. Let's do, okay, this word you can read. Yeah, please read.
Okay, good. The third one? Okay. Okay. Brahmacharya Vastran Shushtanam. Brahmacharya. Sorry, Guruji, I'm having difficulty.
Okay, next. I'll ask the other person to read. Listen.
Yes, Guruji.
Difficult. Difficult. You can read.
Brahmacharya Vratanushtanam.
Sorry. Brahma, Charya, Brahmacharya.
Brahmacharya.
Letter is Vra.
Brahma.
Charya Vrathanam.
Anushtanam. Yeah.
Parulji, one chance only.
Ekameva Dityam.
Read again.
Ekameva Dityam.
Ditiyam.
Itiyam.
Next person, Akoshi.
Sarva Dharma.
Not you, Akoshi, I said. Next person.
Sarvadharma Paripalayanam.
Please read, see the letter properly.
Savadharma
What is the first letter?
Swadharma.
Then why you read the Sarvadharma? Where is Sarvadharma?
Swadharma Paripalanam.
Swadharma Paripalanam.
Yes.
See, Swa is there. That's why you have to see the letter. Okay, don't assume it as something. Where is Sarvadharma? Swadharma.
Yes.
Okay, next person, Umaji. Last one. Only one chance, Umaji. Umaji, are you there?
Yes. So,
When I call you, you have to unmute your mic, okay?
okay, sorry.
Yes.
Shastra Paripalana Samajam.
Very good. Shastra
Paripalana Samajam.
Why don't you read slowly? Huh? Shastra Paripalana Samajam. If you read fast, it's okay. But when you do mistake, you won't be able to see the mistake.
Okay, sorry.
Slowly, you can be able to see the mistake. Listen, you'll be able to see the mistake what you are doing. That's why I'm asking you to read slowly.
Okay. Sorry. Shastra Paripalana Samajam.
Paripalana Samajam. Okay. So the words will increase. Anyway, this is this much. The bigger word is enough. After that, we are going to read sentences. Okay. Now some more words are there. You will see that in the next class. If you can read up to this much size, bigger size words, then you will be able to read comfortably
Okay.
the other simple the words which are going to come. So we will do some more practice. Practice will go for some more classes. Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
गुरुजी.